I'm a dude! Hi, Dick. I had one of these when I was young, and I thought Fat Ass Jr. would enjoy having one himself. Love from North Carolina from Luke. Yo, this is the 5th baby product of the day. I'm starting to lose my mind. Guys, I don't have a baby! What is this? Oh my god. Pro Golem Lovies for Babies security blanket. Should I give this to someone? What should I do with this? I shouldn't even have all of these. Bro, I don't have a baby. Guys, stop. It's a friggin' elephant. Like, dude, I don't have a baby. Chat, I don't have a baby, y'all.